You can combine visualizations and tabular data, enriching how insights are communicated. For example, a column chart showing aggregated results and a crosstab below showing the same results in further detail. In this video, you will see how to use a two-row template to combine a visualization and a crosstab report. This is the report that will be created in this video. The column chart shows sales by product type, and the crosstab on the bottom breaks out those sales values further by including market and month. In this video, I'm going to create a report that will combine visualizations and report tabular data to enrich the consumer's experience. I'm going to create a report using the two-row template. And I'm going to use a data module that I created using the Coffee Chain 2020 to 2022 Excel data file. I'm going to create the query myself because I want to add a filter for just January through March of 2020 because this data set contains full 2022 data and I want to exclude things that are future dated. I can go back to my pages now and start to create my report. I'm going to put my visualization at the top using a clustered chart and selecting data items. Those are the items that I dropped in my query before. So I'm going to use product type for the bars and sales for the length. If I want to see what that chart looks like, I could either run the report at this time or I can turn on the page preview. Now I want to add some additional information of taking those aggregated results and breaking them out a little further. So I'm going to add a crosstab at the bottom. I want to use query 1 because that's the query that was used to create the visualization. Again, coming back to the query, I'm going to drop sales in my measures, month for my columns, product type for my rows. And I want to add some additional information there, further breakout. So I go back to my sources and I can pick up market and drop it on my rows. I can select the months along the top and the summarize and a total. Select the markets, summarize and total. And I now have totals by market across the months, and I also have totals for the months within the product type. And I can validate that by hovering over the coffee on the visualization where I see it's 28,013, and I see I have the same result for coffee for across the 3 months. Using the visualization, I'm able to communicate how sales are going by product type, providing additional information allowing the report consumer to see how those sales are also breaking out by month and market. That concludes the video on how to use visualizations and reports together to provide additional insights and enrich the consumer's experience. Documentation for IBM Cognos Analytics with Watson is available online. The video description below contains links for topics covered in this video. If you would like to try what was demonstrated in this video, you will find the data in the samples folder in Team Content.